Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm preparing tender coconut cake recipe which is really delicious with its rich tender coconut flavor. So let's see how it's prepared. All ingredients you just need is. So first step is separating egg yolk and egg white. I have taken 4 eggs. Beating egg white and egg yolk separately will make our cake super soft. Now I have separated all the 4 eggs. Now beat egg whites. You have to beat until creamy and thick. Now our egg white has turned into white, thick, creamy. Now beat egg yolks by adding 1 cup of powdered sugar. Beat until it changes its color to white. Now add 1½ teaspoon of vanilla essence and half a cup of sunflower oil. Beat again. In a bowl, sift 1 cup of all-purpose flour and 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Into the egg yolk mix, add half of the beaten egg white and half of the flour mix. Add remaining egg yolk, add remaining egg white and remaining flour mix. In a pan, add 1 teaspoon of ghee or butter. Heat the pan and add 1 teaspoon of ghee or butter. Now pour the prepared batter to it. Close the lid and cook the cake in a low flame. Now we have to prepare the syrup. For that, add 1/4 cup of sugar and 1 cup of tender coconut water. Let it boil for 5 minutes. Now cut our cake into half. Now we have to prepare cream for icing. I have taken frozen whipping cream. Add 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar. You can increase the amount according to your taste. Take a cake bowl and place some cream in water. Place a layer of cake. Now take a piping bag and add some cream. Now put cream on top of the cake. Just level it using a spatula. Now add some tender coconut on top. I have taken 2 tender coconuts. Now we have to refrigerate this cake before pouring tender coconut glaze on top. I have taken 3 grams of chinagrass. Wash the chinagrass. In a pan, melt chinagrass by adding 1/4 cup of tender coconut water. Pour this tender coconut glaze over the cake. Now add some tender coconut on top. So our tender coconut cake is ready. Just refrigerate before cutting and serving. If you like my video, don't forget to share and like, and also comment me. And if you're watching my channel for first time, please subscribe.